Now, we are looking at the case getting murkier. There are several stakeholders in the case who've been giving out their statements, all of them close to Sushant, many of them who were there present at Sushant's house while he committed suicide on the 14th of June. Now, what is the status of the investigation and who are those people who are currently involved close to Sushant who've been giving out their statements? Let's take a quick look at the first person here, very crucial in this investigation, is Siddharth Pithani. Siddharth Pithani was in fact a very close friend of Sushant, who was in fact living with Sushant at his house. In fact, we understand that Siddharth was Sushant's closest friend and had met the actor the night before the death. Pithani has revealed that Sushant was not in touch with his family members for quite a while before he passed away. Now, there's another person called Neeraj, who is the cook who worked for Sushant since May 2019. He was also present when they found Sushant's body. In fact, this man here claimed that Sushant was unwell at the time of his death. This is his categoric statement. Then you have Samuel Miranda, the third person who's quite crucial here, who's a house manager appointed by RIA. Samuel Miranda also has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate now. He's being probed to see if there has been any money mismanagement that's taken place under his no. Then you have, of course, Riya Chakravarti, Sushant's girlfriend, who's also now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, she's been accused of abatement to suicide. There are several allegations that have been leveled against her by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. Now the ED is investigating for money laundering, as well as the CBI looking at abatement to suicide. Now, as cops and investigative agencies widen the probe in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, Disha Salian's death mystery is only getting murkier. Actor Suraj Pancholi, who has been accused of having links with Disha Salian and hosting a party at the night of Sushant's former manager's death, has now spoken out. Here is Disha Salian, Suraj Pancholi's party truth revealed by Suraj Pancholi himself.
6 days, 2 deaths. One raging mystery. Speculation is swirling around there being a connection between the deaths of Sushant Singh Rajput and his ex-manager Disha Salian. At the center of this death mystery is actor Suraj Pancholi and a conspiracy theory. Going viral on social media and WhatsApp groups is about a party on the night of 8th of June. This morphed image of Suraj Pancholi with Disha Salian is being shared to fuel the story about the party. The party theory was fanned by BJP leader Narayan Rane, who claimed that actor Suraj Pancholi hosted a party at his residence on the night Disha Salian died. He also alleges that the party was attended by a Maharashtra minister and other top Bollywood celebrities. It is alleged that it was at this party that Disha Salian was raped and murdered.
ऐसा जवान लड़की लोग को लेके जाके पार्टी में उसको मारना और बलात्कार करके एडमिट करना, मगर ये छुपा नहीं सकते। महाराष्ट्र सरकार जो आज है वो गुनहगार को प्रोटेक्शन दे रहे हैं, बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Now, the man at the center of the storm, Suraj Pancholi, has broken his silence on India Today. He says there was no party at his house on 8th of June.
हाँ, मेरे घर में कभी कोई पार्टी हुई थी। ठीक है, एक मैसेज है व्हाट्सएप पे, हर जगह गया है। मुझे मेरे दोस्तों ने दुबई से, लंदन से, हैदराबाद से भेजा है कि सूरज के घर पे पार्टी हुई थी, सूरज के पेंट हाउस में पार्टी हुई थी, जहाँ पे सूरज ने सुशांत, दिशा, आदित्य ये सबको बुलाया था। विद आदित्य आई मीन आदित्य ठाकरे। सबसे पहले बात, मेरे पास पेंट हाउस है नहीं। आई लिव ऑन अ फर्स्ट फ्लोर इन वर्सोवा।
In fact, Suraj Pancholi claims that he never knew Disha Salian.
मैं जानता ही नहीं हूँ या जानता ही नहीं था कि दिशा सलियान कौन है। May her soul rest in peace. May her family rest in, I mean, have some peace right now. I have nothing to do. मेरा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है दिशा के साथ।
Questions, though, still surround Disha Salian's death. Disha, who allegedly managed a few projects for Sushant Singh Rajput, fell from a 14th-floor apartment in Malad, Mumbai, at around 3 a.m. on 9th of June. Her autopsy report, accessed by India Today, shows that Disha died of unnatural injuries. Her post-mortem noted that the primary cause of death was the injuries she sustained in the plunge. But why was her post-mortem done 2 days after she died? Did her death affect Sushant Singh Rajput? And most importantly, is there a link between the two deaths? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.